Okay, this is the Chapter 9 case projects. I did the Top Tablets app, which displays 6 of your favorite web technology sites. An opening screen displays the name of 6 top technology sites, and each list item opens the corresponding text site. So in this is my Android manifest, where I had to throw in, let's see, where's that code I put? This first line of code here to make sure clear text traffic works. And I also threw in the uses permission, blah, 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 for the internet so it can access the internet. My dummy content, where'd it go? I added in my 6 different websites over here. Didn't really need any text or any pictures for this one since it was just opening websites. Here is my item detail fragment, where I have it choose where I make it load the websites. And I believe that was about it for it, so let's run it. Give it a second to run. There it goes. On the side here we have the 6 different sites. Most of them will open up here like it's supposed to. I think some of the other websites, I guess, have their website set up differently. I think this one's one of them. Yeah, it'll load it in Chrome instead of actually opening it through the app, which the code for those are the same, so I'm assuming it's something with their website that doesn't allow it to be open this way. But most of them open this way. That's one that doesn't. My computer seems to freeze a lot when trying to run an emulator. Yeah, it froze. Bear with me, I'll pause this so it can think. And it crashed because the program froze on me. The code runs fine though. It's not an issue with the code, it's just with everything loading, and it just seems to crash my computer. So I just saw The Verge, it opens in a different tab. Mashable opens up just fine though. So I believe that's it for this chapter. Woo!